I need this sale.
Just a little bit of real estate?
No!
Are you looking for leads with a little more pull? Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty can grow your business with guaranteed, ready-to-act buyers and sellers, actual clients, not leads. We get it. As a real estate agent, it's tiring and time-consuming finding clients, from cold calling to door knocking to begging for referrals and buying internet leads.
Are any of you looking to sell your house?
Are you trying to get referrals from the production crew?
No opportunity wasted, right?
How's this for an opportunity? With your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, you will gain a $100,000 increase in additional income, or we'll pay you the difference. Wow, that is a lot. How do we do it? Other places will offer you leads, telling you that with their leads, you can grow your business.
Get your leads here, real estate leads!
Whoa, hold on a second. All they're selling you are leads, not guaranteed appointments with ready-to-act sellers and buyers. All these leads do is add endless hours of cold prospecting. Oh, hey, this one's popped. It's burnt. At your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we're providing you with guaranteed, ready-to-buy buyers and ready-to-sell sellers. Appointments, not leads. Booked appointments. That means you can stop cold calling and start selling. Just ask Nancy with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty.
I didn't realize how much business I was missing out on. Now I have an overflow of sellers and buyers every week.
And that's not all. We also deliver unmatched skills training, full-time admin services, and guaranteed income increase, turning you into the Realty magnet. Now that's the power of attraction at work. We've already created more successful agents than any other system. Contact your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty to get started today.